yung CJ.
CJ,
Yes.
FPJ.
PJ, CJ, PJ.
PJ.
Talaga ba?
FPJ actually.
Okay. Sino si BJ?
Ay. Ayan. So, first, congratulations. And sabi nga sa amin about your character na tumawid ka sa 3 movies ng Bayaniverse.
Actually, dalawa lang.
Dalawa, okay.
General Luna lang, wala ako sa Goyo.
Okay.
Supposedly here, parang revelation nga na babalik yung character ni Pedro.
Pero, before ba, may expectation ka na ba na babalik ka for the 3rd movie?
I don't know, nobody expected na matutuloy din namin actually yung 3rd installment ng Bayaniverse. Kasi syempre ng pandemic, tapos we didn't know what's going to happen. Pero nung nakukuha ng music, we're very happy na matutuloy yung Manuel and Quezon. Kasi in the beginning, talaga yung plan talaga nila Jen. When he wrote the script, para talaga sa 3.
So, for General Luna, di ba medyo ba-action yung ano mo dito? For Quezon, sa tingin mo, medyo tone, medyo diplomatic ba siya or medyo rin siya, feisty rin siya?
Action na mangyayari sa kanya, more on internal ng politika. Sa loob na yung kumbaga, it's an election time. So, this is going to tackle the presidency bago umabot sa presidency ng Quezon. So, paano na inabot yung stage na yun, sino yung mga nakabangga niya during that time. So, mas magre-reflect sa current situation ng Pilipinas kasi kakatapos lang din na election natin. So, ganun. May mga impact kami na ini-expect because of this season din.
Bakit mahalaga yung tinatakil yung mga klaseng pelikula right now at present time? What do you think?
Because we're storytellers. Artists are storytellers. We're supposed to rebel diba, to showcase kung ano na sumasalamin sa nangyayari sa lipunan. Yun naman ang trabaho ng artist ever since. Kaya makikita ka, di ba, mga aktivista talaga po artist. So, gano'n, I think we were given the chance to tell this side of the story na hindi nakalakihan at hindi natin usually nababasa sa textbooks. Just like General Luna's story and Goyo's story. So this one, ito yung mga hindi natin narinig, ito yung mga
mga untold story.
Yes, of course. So yun ang importante rin. And eventually, so we're also hoping na this could be research material sa mga estudyante pagdating ng panahon.
So how's the experience yung nung nag-film kayo with General Luna compared to Quezon?
Same. Very happy that we had the same team and the familiarity and the camaraderie is still there. So everybody is just very happy na patuloy ulit na. I think we're gonna have to go. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Congrats ka.
Good luck in the film.
Okay. Thank you.